My name is Todd Huson. I am the district manager for the Niagara region, and I've been with Clera Windows Doors for 21 years. Well, Clera Windows Doors, we manufacture our own windows and we install them with our own factory-trained carpenters as opposed to a contractor who buys the window from a manufacturer, then installs it. At that point, you generally get two separate independent warranties, where with Clera Windows Doors, you have a warranty through the manufacturer on the product and the installation. Well, number one, again, we are one-stop shopping. We have a very high quality product and we stand behind our warranty. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of my customers through the past 21 years for your support, and to invite any new customers to feel free to call me for a free non-commitment estimate.